Gentlemen, here's your biggest fans. You got a lot of pressure.
I can't watch this, I can't watch it.
Jester, are you going to let down your biggest fan? Congrats on the Cybertruck, we got more shots.
Thank you, Jester!
However, not everyone was so fortunate.
I'm sorry. I couldn't get you the Cybertruck. Devastating.
Will FaZe Rug's fan be taking home a Cybertruck, or will we have yet another loss?
Come on, Rug.
Come on.
Dude, I love you too. We back! And after seeing 3 massive YouTubers